In today's video, we are going to show you how to add students to Edpuzzle. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then hover to the left side area and click the My Classes. Because this is going to be where all your classes are stored. Right now, I have a class called How to Add Students to Edpuzzle. And all I have to do for you to be able to add students is super simple. I want you to click the Invite Students. And what will happen is you will be given a small window wherein you can share a link with them to enter your class directly. You have two options from here. You can copy that link or email a link. It's up to you. All right. For example, if you want to email a link, what will happen is you will be forwarded here to your default email provider. And then, of course, click the share link that you have copied from Edpuzzle. It's super simple. Now, there is also an option here to copy the class code. All right. If you want students to log into Edpuzzle, just give them the copy class code so that not everyone can enter using that link. This is like a security code for restricted access to your class. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to add students to Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.